Suzuki Alto VXR 2021, Urgent Sale. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a very urgent and genuine car deal for those who are looking for a reliable, economical, and budget-friendly vehicle. The car featured today is a Suzuki Alto VXR, model 2021. This car is available in totally genuine condition and is up for urgent sale, with a demand of 22 Lakh 40,000 only. Let's talk about the condition of the car first. This is a well-maintained 2021 model, driven carefully and kept in original form. The body is clean and straight, with no major accidents or structural issues. The car is sealed by Seal Genuine, which is a big plus for buyers who prefer originality and transparency. Now coming to the engine and drive quality. The engine is running smooth and sound, with no mechanical issues. Pickup is good, especially for city driving, and the car feels light and comfortable on the road. The suspension is also in good condition, providing a smooth ride on daily routes. Moving on to the interior. The interior is neat, clean, and original. Seats are well maintained, the dashboard is untouched, and the overall cabin feels fresh. The AC is fully functional, giving strong cooling, which makes this car perfect for daily use in all seasons. One of the biggest advantages of Suzuki Alto VXR is its excellent fuel average. With rising fuel prices, this car is a smart choice for anyone who wants low fuel consumption and low running costs. It is ideal for office use, family driving, and especially for first-time car buyers. Maintenance is also very easy and affordable. Suzuki spare parts are cheap and easily available all over Pakistan, making this car economical in the long run. Now let's talk about the price. The demand is 22,40,000, which is very reasonable considering the model year, genuine condition, and urgent sale. Serious buyers are advised not to delay, as cars like this don't stay available for long. If you are looking for a simple, reliable, and fuel-efficient car, this Suzuki Alto VXR 2021 is definitely worth checking out. Visit the car, inspect it personally, and take a test drive to satisfy yourself. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more genuine car deals. And share this video with anyone looking to buy a car. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.